So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Know How podcast. My name is Samuel Karia na niko sure hii itaenda kuwa lit cause it is because of you that we are doing this content. It is because of you guys that we are keep on moving. So guys, in this episode today, we are going to talk on step how to create content and monetize that particular content in a very short period of time, uanze kutengeneza do nayo. Now I will talk about this particular topic in basis of different platforms like TikTok, utatengenezaje do kutumia Facebook, Instagram and many platforms. So first you have to understand definitely who is a content creator. So a content creator is someone who produces digital material to educate, entertain or inspire the audience. So kama wewe shughuli zako ni kueducate, kuentertain ama kuinspire audience, then definitely you are a content creator. So look at exactly what you have been posting. Are you a content creator? So let's dive in details and see definitely the types of content creators. So let us see that actually usually on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs. Remember, being a content creator does not generally means maybe you create content based on video. You can write content. If you write stories on newspaper, then definitely you are a content creator. Now, we have common types of content creators, and one, these are based on platforms. For example, if you do content on YouTube, then you are a YouTuber. So let's talk about what does YouTubers do. They publish long content and they also publish what we call short content. Hapo kwa YouTube ukiingianga kuna kuanga na long forms content, which is long videos and shorts. So they publish long and short form content. We also have TikTokers, those guys who produce reels in TikTok. Those are the TikTokers. So they are people who have specialized definitely in creating content on TikTok. So those are the TikTokers. Then we have bloggers. Those are those guys who write posts on websites. For example, look at educational articles in particular website. For example, if you go to New York Times, this particular website usually gives news and education. So there are those guys who write content on it. They are content creators, and those guys write blogs and we call them bloggers. Then we have podcasters, those guys who make podcast. Kuna Mkurugenzi podcast, kuna Malcolm podcast, kuna Dream and Army podcast, kuna ile podcast ya Njugush na sijui anaitwa nani. We have guys who create podcasts. They just talk on basic topic on mic and on air pale YouTube. So we also have influencers. There are those guys who create lifestyle content, maybe cars, homes, in form of kuna mnaita vlogging. Those guys are definitely influencers. Then we have newsletter writers. Then we have streamers, those guys who stream live on different social media platform. So what kind of a content creator are you, and what is the benefit that you bring to the economy? How do you get money? Because if you are creating value to people, then money streams. Now the creator economy. Now let us definitely dive to what we call the creator economy. What is the creator economy, right? The creator economy refers to the ecosystem independent creators who build audiences online and monetize their content. So if you are creating content on YouTube, then you are monetized as a result, then you are in the creators economy. Now they also sell products and services online. Then it is powered by platforms like YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, Patreon, Starbucks. There are so many platforms that you can create content on, but popularly in Kenya we have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and also Snapchat. Why the creator economy matters? Then we have to understand the reason why. I told you that creator economy has to do with creating content and getting monetized. Why does it matter? So it empowers individuals to build businesses. Content is a business. If you are paid by creating this particular videos like the one that I'm creating, then this is a business. It also lowers barrier entry to creative entrepreneurship. For example, if you create content, there is no a specific way that you are supposed to create that particular content. You just create content smoothly without rush, then you are making money out of it. Then it reflects a shift of how people consume content. So different creators create content in different ways, then they create a shift in the entry to the creator economy. How do content creators make money? This is the most important part of this particular video. One, sponsorship and brand deals. You are doing a content, you are viral, you go and market on something as a brand ambassador, you are paid some cash, then you get some money out of it. Then we have what we call ad revenue. This is what we call Google AdSense or Google Ads. In particular platform like Facebook, Instagram, when you post a video and it goes viral, you are always, and you are monetized, you are always given some ads on your videos. The viewers can watch those particular ads and you get some revenue in return. Then we have what we call affiliate marketing. Then this is just referring people to different shops and they make money out of it. Then we have selling digital products like tools of production. You make money in return. For example, uh, if you have maybe tools to create content and you sell it to people, then definitely you're making money out of it. So guys, stay tuned in the next coming episode.